Engineered for complex terrains and harsh environments, ZS Drone TH600, an industrial heavy-lift tandem twin-rotor drone. Powered by an Aviation Fuel Engine, delivering a maximum payload capacity of 300 kilograms, delivering over 4 hours endurance and a 6,500-meter service ceiling to master high altitudes and extreme climates. Equipped with dual redundant flight control, supporting autonomous route planning and precise hovering for ultimate safety. Compact structure with quick-release blades ensures easy transport and rapid deployment, significantly reducing maintenance costs. Perfectly matched for high-rise firefighting, emergency rescue, and cargo delivery to execute complex critical operations. Overcoming heavy-lift challenges with solid technology, ZS Drone TH600 provides highly reliable airborne operation solutions.